Racing just is started. We have China Girl break quickly at start. Pegasus down on the inside comes Fabiola. Gobernadora comes next. Jupiter Thunder. While Maticas is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn we have Pegasus. China Girl in second. Fabiola. Gobernadora. Jupiter Thunder comes next. While Maticas is still trailing the group. Back to the leader, we have Pegasus by about 4 lengths. And in second comes China Girl. Fabiola is down on the inside. Gobernadora comes next. Jupiter Thunder and Maticas. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Pegasus maintaining a 4 lengths lead. China Girl moving apart the outside now is Gobernadora. Fabiola comes next. Jupiter Thunder and Maticas is still racing in 6. And on the far turn we have Pegasus by about 2 lanes. China Girl in second. Gobernadora is still in third. Then comes Fabiola. Jupiter Thunder Matigas now moving up down on the inside. And they are now entering the home stretch. Pegasus, Fabiola, China Girl, Matigas, Gobernadora is on the outside. With about 100 meters of the race, we have Fabiola followed by Pegasus, China Girl, Gobernadora, Maticas. Last 50 meters, we have Fabiola, Gobernadora, Fabiola, Gobernadora, and finally it's Fabiola, Gobernadora. Then comes China Girl, Pegasus, Maticas, and Jupiter Thunder.